So, hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 29th of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the Ten of Wands. So someone is feeling like a lot of stressful energies around the situation. This is somebody who's trying to drop the situation because it's too stressful to deal with. Okay, too difficult to handle. Let me clarify the Ten of Wands. For some of you, this person is leaving the situation for someone new. Could be very much possible because they are too much stressed out because of the situation. They feel like going towards something new or someone new. Told ya, I'm getting this. I was getting these vibes. Yeah, so this is somebody, Scorpio, that is having other option too in their life, and they're quite confused between you and them, but they're trying to drop you and this situation and trying to move forward somebody with somebody else. Okay, now it could somebody else or something else. Now it could be somebody who is feeling like their money, job, career is more important than this situation, than this relationship area right now, or their health is more important, their looks is, or their independence is more important. Take it how it resonates with you. But this person is either dealing with somebody else or something else apart from the situation, and they're feeling like dropping the situation and claiming their independence. As of now, this is what this person is feeling for the situation between you and them. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Queen of Pentacles. So from your side, I feel like you are in this energy of being compassionate, being very caring, being very nurturing, being in this energy of taking care of yourself as much as you can, and your money, your job, your career as well is your topmost priority. Let me clarify the Queen of Pentacles. My goodness, what is wrong? What is wrong? Don't do that. Don't do that. Sometimes the camera sucks the whole blood out of me and still I get nothing. I guess I should use a tripod instead of this thing. Okay, anyways, let's see your feelings. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Eight of Pentacles, the Hermit. So you feel like whatever is meant for you will come to you just at the right time. All you have to do is to put in effort and energy in yourself, invest in yourself, take care of yourself, and be calm and compose it. And whatever is meant for you will come to you eventually. Right now, you are in this energy of, okay, if somebody is leaving, you are kind of letting them leave. If somebody is coming to you, you are kind of talking to them, but you're not too much invested in anybody or anything to the level of them affecting your day-to-day life, or them affecting your life to the level of, oh my god, what should I do now? No, you're happy with the whatever or whosoever you are, and you're kind of in this energy of letting it unfold, evolve, or dissolve naturally. Very good. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Scorpio? We have the Six of Wands. So their intention is to make this work out. First of all, their intention is to look smart, look beautiful, look available to other energy and other people as well. And their intention right now is to be the center of attention of their own world, like living in some kind of filmy kind of energy. But at the same time, they want to make it work out between you and them as well. It's like trying to make it work out. Wow. This person is definitely dealing with somebody else also, Scorpio. This is the third time I'm getting this energy of them being open to other people, other energies as well. Now this person wants to make it work out with you as well. At the same time, they want to entertain other people, other energy or energies as well. If they are not with someone specific apart from you, they have their energies open towards new people, new situations. Now making it work out with you doesn't mean like marriage or commitment or long-term partnership. It means like keeping you as well in their energies, in their life, so that they can have this kind of security that at least you are there for them. So basically this person wants to keep you as their option. Okay, if nothing is going to work out with anybody else, you are there for them. They want to keep you as that kind of energy. Okay, if nothing or no one is going to be with me, at least Scorpio is there for me. And they want to pretend that everything is fine between you guys, they're happy with you and all that, but behind the scenes they are just dealing with other energies, other people as well. Or maybe they're just having a healthy flirt and healthy fun and flirting with other people. I am calling it healthy because sometimes it's some people's nature to connect with other people and just feel good about it. Not I'm not calling flirting as a good thing or something like that. Take it as a normal comment, because people tend to attack me or without any reason. So basically I guess might be this is somebody who feels like good with opposite sex attention. Okay, but behind the scenes they are feeling like getting attention from other people, other energies as well, because this is giving them some kind of boost. This is giving them some kind of stress free kind of energies that they are not able to feel with you as of now. What do you want from this particular person or energy? Temperance. You just want to be patient. You just want to be patient with this particular person or energy as much as you can. You don't want to lose your patience. You don't want to pass any judgments. I think you don't want to create any kind of mess as of now. So you want to take it really very slow, and you want to patiently wait for what can happen, what can come out of this. Let me clarify the temperance. Temperance. Yeah. You're not okay. Your your perception of being with this person for the rest of your life is kind of going down with each passing day, and you're not liking it. You're not being happy about the situation ending, or this feeling of yours ending, or your gut telling you that this person is not the right person for you, or this person is not your soulmate. So you're kind of patiently waiting for the time about what can happen, what can come out of this situation. But at the same time you are not sure whether it's ever going to happen between you and this person, for the that kind of commitment or that kind of marriage kind of a deal is ever going to happen between you guys in this lifetime. Yeah, because you still care for this person, you still have emotions for this person, you just want to stick around and see what can happen. Okay, let's see what's coming towards you by the 29th of September. What could be the possible outcome of the situation, Scorpio? Five of Pentacles. Okay, this is like something like feeling like left out in the cold, or feeling like you can't do much about the situation. So it is what it is, kind of a deal, but feeling like a victim here. Let me clarify the Five of Pentacles. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Judgment, and the Emperor. It's like somebody will try to apologize to you and fix things with you, but you are going to be too much in this energy of, I don't think it's going to work out between us, or I don't think it's right time to deal with each other, or I don't think it's the right connection for both of us. It's like one of you will try to fix it with the other energy, and the other energy not participating. It's like some kind of ego battle. One of you is going to be too much in their ego or pride to participate in the situation the way the other energy is kind of trying to participate. So it's going to create some kind of imbalance, and it's going to create this energy of one of you feeling left out in the cold because of the person's ego, or other person's non-participation in the situation. So take it how it resonates with you. It could be reaching out to them and asking for a second chance with a good heart, good and open heart and soul. But the other energies are kind of not taking it, or denying to participate in it, or it could be the vice versa. But whatever it is, the end result is not as of now that much good. One of you is in highly in their ego and pride. Other person is feeling like, my God, what should I do now to fix it? So it's like this. Let's see the guidance for you guys here. We have the Seven of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. Instead of living in this illusion that you can resolve it and everything is fine and nothing is wrong in the situation, come to your senses, accept the truth for what it is, accept the situation for what it is. Talk to the other person, the other energy, about what you feel, what you want, and what you are truly looking forward to have in the connection. If you are not getting the right answers, or if you're not getting what you want from the situation, it's high time for you to move on from the situation and or accept the situation for what it is, instead of making your illusions or your own stories. There's something that you know is not right in the situation, okay, Scorpio, and you know it very, very, very well on a spiritual level as well. Your higher self also knows that this is something that you guys have to work on, but you're continuously denying it. You're continuously rejecting the idea of even accepting it, okay. So the more you're going to reject the idea, or the more you are going to be in this illusion or delusion, the more you're harming yourself and your energies only. Nothing else or no one else is being harmed here, or being what should I say, used here, like used in the sense like abused here. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.